Hi and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will tell you how to ask Grok a question on X. So first of all, let's open X on my phone, and at the bottom navigation bar you should see a Grok icon that looks like this. So if you tap it, you will enter the Grok chat interface. So here you can ask him to create image, to edit image, or you can even try voice mode. Or here in this field you can simply ask him a question or type your request. So let's ask him, how are you? And if you send it, Grok will respond in the chat format, as you can see on my screen. Yes, and also if you go to homepage and open some kind of post, in the top right corner of your screen you should see Grok icon, and if you tap it, Grok will give you a little summary basically on this post. So it will give you a little explanation on basically what is happening in this post, if you're, for example, out of context and you need some clarity. So this is highly useful for you if you want to get some things explained. So yeah, that's basically how you can ask a Grok a question on X. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.